Best deals.
1. Paneer Maker. Crafted with efficiency and convenience in mind. It features an efficient paneer pressing mechanism that ensures your paneer maintains a consistent texture and firmness, offering you restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Garlic Masher. The translucent blade with a hole allows you to crush nicely even the toughest seed to a fine powder effortlessly. Or you can also grind medical pills for your lovely puppy and mix it up with their food. The interior of this mortar is deep and curved smoothly, and the pestle is super comfy to hold. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Potato Cutter. Made of high-quality stainless steel, robust, restaurant-grade blade engineered for years of use, slice fast and easy to use, just with little effort for cutting the potato, carrots, cucumbers, eggplant, onion into 1/2 inch thick strip. Easy to clean with water, never be worried about rinsing and rust, use the cutter easily. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Teapot. Will allow you to set up a self-serve drink station at your buffet, restaurant or cafe. An ideal choice for serving coffee, tea, lemonade, ice water, or sangria. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kadhai. Stay cool, sturdy stainless steel handles, comfortable to hold even when pan is hot. The shape is designed in a manner to make sure cleaning and maintaining this kadhai is very easy. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cutlery. Made from high-quality stainless steel, has strong and sturdy construction for everyday use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Jars. Keep your cooking essentials neatly stored and easily visible with these high-quality stainless steel containers. The transparent window makes it simple to check. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Pepper Grinder. Unique cooking gadgets offer a unique way of adding flavor, spice to any dish or recipe. Meet your needs for bridal shower gifts, wedding gifts, gifts for groomsmen or bridesmaids. It's compact to store. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Dinner Set. The robust material resists stains and scratches, maintaining its sleek appearance. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Tope. Stackable, space-saver design, fit into each other, frees up space in modern kitchens. Detachable grips, stay cool, allow snug fit stacking. Suitable for use on domestic gas, induction, electric, ceramic and halogen stoves. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Funnel. Perfect for filling wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars with liquids like jam and oils, dry ingredients like flour, beans, and spices, and much more in the kitchen. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cheese Grater. Made of stainless steel, food-grade stainless steel, tough and durable. Ultra-sharp blades get the job done quickly, and 4 different rotating drums with sharp cylindrical stainless steel blades for all types. Fine gratings or coarser gratings that you can exchange for grinding hard cheese, chocolate, nuts, pistachios, almonds. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tea Infuser. Featuring a practical lid and a convenient lift chain, offers hassle-free immersion and removal in any cup or mug. The hook keeps it secure while the fine mesh guarantees a clear, quality tea. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Fruit Cutter. Features a 2-in-1 design that cleverly combines a fork and a slicer. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Faucet Extender. 2 flow modes, rain mode and foam mode to switch between a standard flow and a reduced flow in the kitchen, saves up to 50% water without compromising on functionality. Easily fits into your existing faucets. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cookware Set. Includes a 24 cm kadai, 3L, with stainless steel lid, a 24 cm frappan, 16 cm saucepan and a 18 cm casserole, perfect for a wide range of cooking needs. Designed for faster and more efficient cooking, the tri-ply technology features a thick aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. This ensures even heat distribution with no hot spots. The advanced stainless steel surface offers effortless food release without any synthetic coatings or chemicals. Cook with less oil and no worries about peeling or flaking. Riveted stainless steel handles provide a firm, stable grip for safe lifting and easy maneuvering, even when the cookware is full or hot. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Butter knife. It's easy to hold and use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Tiffin box. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, designed as a leak-proof steel tiffin box for kids, it features a sturdy locking clip to prevent spills and mess, making it perfect for carrying lunch on the go. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Crusher. Features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable and secure grip, even when your hands are wet. Only simply clean it with running water or clean it with your dishwasher. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Batter dispenser. Stainless steel design allows you to easily pour and control batter flow without mess. The pancake dispenser for batter features a spring-loaded handle and precision nozzle for smooth, drip-free dispensing of pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, crepes, and more. Built to last, it delivers durability and effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Coffee mugs. They have a smooth mirror finish on the surface and a brushed finish on the inside. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Egg steamer rack. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this rack is heat-proof and safe to use in pressure cookers, pots, and other cooking vessels. When not in use, this egg steamer rack can be easily stacked for convenient storage. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Colander. This is ideally used for kitchen in draining rice, dals, fruits, vegetables, grains, pastas, noodles and other foods. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cooker. Features a pressure indicator for maximum safety. Compatible with gas stoves cooktop for versatile use, stainless steel close fit laid with keep warm mode. It is an essential kitchen appliance. It is easy to use and removable inner pot. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Coffee pot. The filter coffee maker can also be used as a decoction maker, allowing you to make a rich and flavorful decoction that can be used in a variety of coffee-based drinks. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Knife. Lightweight and razor sharp, this versatile and do-it-all knife is perfect for peeling, dicing, filleting, chopping, slicing, cubing, and all other standard food prep tasks. Made from high-quality Japanese steel, the utility knife is the perfect blend of exceptional durability and exquisite design. Product link is given in the 26th link.